AI has been a popular topic for years, and it's only growing in popularity as it continues to improve. Right now, there's already millions of people using AI for various things, ranging from support on their website, research on various topics, or generating content for videos, games, or other kinds of artistic, business, or marketing applications. The question is, what's really stopping the rest of us from leveraging AI? What's holding industries or the average person back from further adoption of this technology? I think the answer lies with trust. And trust, at least when it comes to a tech like this, is only born from a sound combination of transparency, privacy assurances, and security. Many people, especially in fields that work regularly with sensitive data like healthcare or finance, probably aren't eager to see yet another monopoly in tech and being forced to end up trusting yet another big corporation not to misuse their data and to safeguard it properly. This is where the internet computer is beginning to shift the paradigm. The Internet computer is one of the only blockchains that you can truly host AI on-chain through smart contracts. This means it can be tamper-proof, unstoppable, or even given the ability to be autonomous depending on the intentions of the developer for its application or purpose. Being tamper-proof is a major concern as research shows that it's possible to tamper with AI models in an undetectable way. This means that the integrity of the AI's output can be compromised without anyone knowing. This kind of risk is simply unacceptable to big industries, and it could negatively impact even the most casual users that are trying to leverage AI as well. Now, creating decentralized AI involves handling AI training through smart contracts on-chain, which addresses a lot of AI's trust issues. Users can verify the inputs to the models they utilize, reducing the need to trust them blindly. It can also give users insight to how their data is used and how AI models produce responses. Adding this level of transparency will open doors to a much broader landscape of AI use cases and build a trust in AI that really doesn't exist yet. The advantages of running AI on-chain like this are clear, and we're confident that decentralized AI is the future. However, this kind of resource-intensive application is not feasible on traditional blockchains. But luckily, the Internet computer is uniquely equipped to handle applications like this, and we're already seeing an explosion of activity related to AI on ICP. In the coming years, I think it's likely decentralized AI applications will be a major catalyst that pushes the network into the spotlight more so than ever. And our team here at Yuku AI is honored to be a part of this revolution in AI technology with the work we're doing on ICP to release AI agents on-chain. So if you like this video and you're interested in seeing more content related to decentralized AI, be sure to follow us on YouTube, TikTok, and Twitter at Yuku App.